At night, musicians swoop into our valley, set up, perform, and then fly down the highway. With over 60 acts a week gracing our stages, we can all use a songbird to sing the praises of inspiring bands and solo artists who are coming to the Knoxville area. Now for this week's top tail feather picks. Nashville's own Deep Fried Five will be frying up their own 60s, 70s soul funk nuggets at Barley's, 10 p.m. on this Friday, March 6th.
Ooh, show the people your true colors. Don't let them hide. My people deep in the boogie. Hey, they're proving that grooving can't do you wrong. Won't you follow in those footsteps? You'll be right where you belong. Yeah. Good love, it's right around the corner. I just wanna know.
From New Albany, Indiana, Houndmouth puts the heart in Heartland. You can catch these country rockers this Friday at 8 o'clock at the Bijou, where you might hear them cover anyone from Parliament Funkadelic to Lefty Frizzell. Here's a snippet of one tune from their own treasure trove.
You took your mother's lantern and you dropped it in the farmhouse and you burned down the city. Oh, you pretty young girl. Well, you never had a chance. You built the house upon a drawbridge. You thought it would protect you, but the flames, they travel fast here and they're coming out to get you. Oh, you pretty young girl. Well, you never had a chance. And it's a long way just to make it to the borderline.
If you would like to see more video of our top tail feather picks, please visit our Zeno Songbird Facebook page or zenosongbird.blogspot.com. At these sites, you will also find this week's Hummingbird Posts, which are our honorable mention shows. Visit these pages for show times as well. This is Zeno Songbird. Go out and hear some live music and you'll fly high. If some other elements lift you even higher, find a sober driver or walk. Have a wonderful week.